And time now for our special COVID segment, The Good, the Bad and the Ugly. Here's a report.
Here is the good news of the day when it comes to the vaccination drive and the pandemic in the country. The vaccine drive has picked up a lot of pace in India. On Saturday, 15 lakh vaccinations were done. In fact, 15 lakh doses were administered. To achieve the target of 30 crore vaccinations by July, India needs to do round about 13 lakh vaccinations every single day, and we seem to be getting there. Individual state governments have also pledged to, in fact, do many more vaccinations on a daily basis. UP government, for example, has said that by the end of this month, they should be ending up doing more than 10 million vaccinations. And for the same reason, they've launched a special 15-day drive that is going to see many more inoculations in the next few days. Here is the bad news of the day when it comes to the pandemic. Not just the number of cases, but even the number of deaths, unfortunately, have increased in the country. Over the weekend, 161 deaths were reported. In fact, on Saturday alone, these many deaths were reported in the country. This is rather worrisome because if cases increase and they become severe, then the death toll increases. By far, India has managed to keep its fatality rate below 2%. It needs to keep the deaths under check. The Karnataka government now also, after the Maharashtra government, has said that we must pull our socks up or else we'll have to go in for a lockdown, given the fact that many states across the country are now reporting a large number of cases. Of course, Maharashtra is continuing to report more than 16,000 cases. India in totality is reporting close to 26,000 cases, and this is rather worrisome.
Well, this is the ugly side to the coronavirus pandemic. Now, the Director General of Civil Aviation has brought out a notice for those passengers who refuse to mask up in flights. The DGCA has said that these passengers will be treated as unruly and will be asked to deboard before the flight takes off. And this is in situations where a lot of people who are not found wearing a mask inside the flights. The Director General's notice also says that people will also be put on a no-fly list for 3 months till up to 2 years if the rules and regulations of flights are not complied by. We're looking at a surge of cases of COVID-19 throughout the country, and as flights continue to operate, it's very important that all passengers, while deboarding or boarding a flight, wear a mask.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.